Cats, hats, and things. Cat in the hat.
Ready to do a cat in the hat ride?
Yeah, let's go. Go on the cat in the hat ride. You ready? Yeah. Here we go. There's our car. Next one. Here we go.
And we saw him.
Cat in the hat.
Go away. You do not want to play. He should not be about when your mother is out. Why, we can have lots of good fun if you wish with a game that I call Up with a Fish. Look at me. Look at me. I'm the cat with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat. Woo! 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 Do I like this? Oh no, I will pick up the book. You will see something new.
Like it, Mayla.
I call them thing one and thing
Alex, thing 1. And thing 2. Thing 2?
No, not in the house.
So the fish in the pot?
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not. No. I do not like the way that they play. If Mother could see this, oh, what would she say?
Boing bong.
Your mother is on the way home. Do you hear? I saw her. Your mother is near. So as fast as you can, think of something to do. You will have to get rid of Thing 1 and Thing 2.
So as fast as I could, I went after my nets. I bet with my nets I can get those things yet.
Oh dear, you did not like our game. Oh, what a shame. What a shame. Those pieces of ball, you cannot pick it up. There's no way at all.
That was a pretty long ride. Whoa. Look at all those pipes.
Have no fear of this mess.
Said the cat in the hat.
I always pick up my plaything. No, I will show you another secret that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us, did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do? Should we tell her?
Whoa.
No, what should we do?
Whoa, that's thing 1, thing 2.